In today's video, we're going to set up and test two exciting Power over Ethernet hats from Waveshare, the PoE HAT E for Raspberry Pi 4 and the PoE HAT G for the Raspberry Pi 5. We'll install them, power them up, and compare their performance. Let's dive in. Let's start by unboxing the Waveshare PoE HAT G for the Raspberry Pi 5. Inside the package, we get a standoffs pack with screws for easy installation, and one PoE HAT G board. The board itself is compact and thoughtfully designed. It doesn't include a cooling fan because it's meant to work seamlessly with the official Raspberry Pi 5 case and the official Raspberry Pi 5 active cooler. It supports IEEE 802.3AF and 802.3AT PoE standards, allowing a single Ethernet cable to deliver both power and network connection to your Raspberry Pi 5. Now, let's move on and unbox the Waveshare PoE HAT E for Raspberry Pi 3B Plus and 4B. Inside the box, we get one compact PoE HAT E board. This hat is much smaller and more flexible, designed to fit comfortably even inside the official Raspberry Pi case. It's compatible with official case and support connecting cooling fan. It supports the IEEE 802.3AF PoE standard and provides a 5V 2.5A output, which is ideal for powering the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus or 4B over a single Ethernet cable. To install the PoE HAT G on the Raspberry Pi 5, we first need to attach the standoffs. Locate the three mounting holes near the GPIO header on the Raspberry Pi 5. These are on the side where the PoE HAT will sit. Now, screw in the provided standoffs onto these 3 points. Once the standoffs are in place, align the 40-pin GPIO connector of the PoE HAT G with the Raspberry Pi's GPIO header. Carefully press the PoE HAT down onto the header, making sure it's properly seated. Finally, secure the PoE HAT by tightening it onto the standoffs. This will keep everything firmly in place. Remember, the design of the PoE HAT G allows it to fit neatly with the official Raspberry Pi 5 case and the official Raspberry Pi 5 active cooler without any modifications needed. Now, let's move on to installing the PoE HAT E onto the Raspberry Pi 4. First, align the PoE HAT's 40-pin GPIO connector with the GPIO header on the Raspberry Pi 4. Once aligned, gently press the HAT onto the header until it's securely in place. Since this PoE HAT E is compact, it fits perfectly inside the official Raspberry Pi 4 case, so you don't need any additional modifications. Now that both PoE HATs are installed, it's time to test them out. We'll start by plugging in the Raspberry Pi 5 with the PoE HAT G to the PoE switch. Simply connect one Ethernet cable, and the Raspberry Pi 5 should power up and establish a network connection all through this single cable. As you can see, the Raspberry Pi 5 powers up and the network connection is active. Now, let's move on to the Raspberry Pi 4 with the PoE HAT E. We'll do the exact same thing. Plug in an Ethernet cable to the PoE switch, and the Raspberry Pi 4 will power up and establish a network connection through the same cable. Both Raspberry Pis are successfully powered and connected to the network using just one Ethernet cable. No need for separate power adapters. Now that we've successfully installed the PoE HAT G onto the Raspberry Pi 5, let's move on to placing it inside the official Raspberry Pi 5 case. Begin by opening the official Raspberry Pi 5 case, revealing the inner compartment. Carefully place the Raspberry Pi 5 with the PoE HAT G inside the case. Make sure to align the GPIO pins and ensure that the PoE HAT fits securely within the case. Now, let's connect the fan from the official Raspberry Pi 5 case. You'll find a fan connector on the Raspberry Pi 5, usually located near the GPIO pins. Plug the fan's cable into the designated fan header on the Raspberry Pi. This will power the fan and help keep the Raspberry Pi 5 cool during operation. Once the fan is connected, snap the top cover of the Raspberry Pi 5 case into place to secure the entire assembly. Finally, to power your Raspberry Pi, connect the PoE cable from your PoE-enabled router or switch to the Ethernet port on the Raspberry Pi 5. This will provide both power and network connectivity through a single Ethernet cable. So that wraps up our look at the PoE HAT G and PoE HAT E for Raspberry Pi. These simple yet powerful accessories help streamline your Raspberry Pi setup by combining power and network connectivity into one cable. Whether you're using a Raspberry Pi 5 or a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus or 4B, these PoE HATs offer a clean, efficient solution for your projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech insights.